Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is your Aquarius best friend Ashley. Put your pride aside and go subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload another video. Today I'm gonna be doing this head because I'm sitting around looking like free. For real though, y'all quit playing. It's fall time. I thought that this wig would be a perfect color for the fall. This wig is by Ultra. It's a HD lace frontal wig. It says the wig has a melted hairline, baby hairs included, girl. The baby hairs are included. You ain't gotta go get them. They're included. So we ain't gotta go pick none up. 2 for 1, honey. This wig can take up to 400 degrees. The style of it is Aaliyah. The color is hazelnut honey. I like to go to my local beauty supply store and get my wigs. These wigs are very much more cheaper online, so I would encourage you guys to check out the description box. Just took the hair out of the pack. This hair looks like it's about 20 inches or maybe longer. It looks long, guys. I hate the fact that these wigs don't tell you the inches. I love this color. The lace is looking like. I am going to put it on my hand and see how well it blends. It's pretty good. Also has a elastic band already built into this wig. 2 combs on the front and 1 in the back.
Love, you move too fast for me. Can't catch up with the thoughts in your mind. They're everywhere and it's hard for me to bear. Cause I get so lost, feel just like a boomerang. Cause you change your plans every day, and you don't seem to care what I think or how it affects me. Since I laid my eyes on you, my baby, I just wanna make your dreams come true, my lady. If you're low, I'll lift you up. Just let me know when shit gets tough. Do you feel the way I do, my baby? Do you see me like I see you, my lady? I love you, but I don't need you. I only want true love, true love. Is what I want, my baby. Like I see you, you see me. That's the only way to be right. Cause you are finishing my sentences when I don't know what I'm about to say. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man. the road. But I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know.
So guys, overall I love this wig. I especially love how it is really flat. The lace was good. I think it can blend just a little bit better. But guys, this wig, overall, I give this wig a 9 out of 10. And I haven't even flat ironed it yet. So I really like it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I really love this. I can't wait to wear this out tomorrow. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I do. I love it. Peace.
I think you only love me cause I'm popping.
If you see me happy, just leave me alone. I deserve this.
When you know it's not knocking.